In this video I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok drafts. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and then hit at your profile icon. You have to be logged into your account to be able to edit your drafts, and here they are at the first position where it says drafts and the count of all my drafts. Now I got 3. I can just hit there and it shows me all my drafts with the date, with the exact date when this draft has been created. I can hit on any draft to continue editing that video. I can add there some filters, I can adjust clips, add here some voiceover, and do all that bunch of different options as I normally do while I am creating my new TikTok video. And once I'm done with that video, I can hit next, there add some caption or use that different options as well, and next I can hit post to share this video. But if I don't want to share it right now, I can go back, hit at that back arrow again, and here I can select what to do with that video. I can save it as draft, or if I don't want to apply the changes, I can hit at quit editing. And also I can hit at continue recording, so any changes that I made will be removed and I can continue creating a new video. I'll tap at save as draft and I can return to editing that video in any time that I want. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.